All right, everyone, I'm here at the beach today, here in Holland, Michigan. It's supposed to be the last beautiful day of fall, so I decided to come here. It's supposed to start getting really cold. I'm gonna take a dip in the water, and I'll be back when I go visit the pier, and I'll showcase that. Now I'm gonna do a walk out to the pier. Yeah, it's supposed to start getting cold, which I'm not looking forward to, but in 5 years, as I probably said, I'm planning on moving to Florida to pursue being a pastor. And I hate Michigan winters. I hate the snow. I don't like Michigan. I'm here because I was born here. But yeah. Oh, should probably get my sandals. It'll be more comfy to walk across the pier with sandals on than without sandals. So I'm gonna go run and get those real quick. All right, I'm back. Head over to the pier right now. I'm not gonna be at the beach too long. I have prayer gathering tonight. I thought it would be nice to take a quick little trip for the last one day. But yeah, I can't wait to move to Florida in 5 years after I graduate. It'll be good riddance, Michigan. And especially the winters. Can't wait to say goodbye to snow. Almost there. Almost there. It's right in front of me. All right, I'm walking along. Gonna go all the way to the end. Yep, so I'm just gonna look out over this way. It's a beautiful view. don't need to walk all the way to the end. I'm gonna stop the camera now. Also, before I go, here's a cool video of the lake. All right, I'm headed back to the car right now. I'm about to get in my car. It's a 2003 Saturn. I forget the exact model, but this is... All right, I'm about to get in my car. It's a 2003 Saturn. I forget the exact model, but I'm gonna get in, start it up. I'm gonna turn on the Christian radio station.
It's gonna be because
of the music.
Well, yeah.
Also, by the way, I can drive on the highway now. I've been doing it quite frequently. Speaking of driving.
Tell me about your faith.
But yeah, I'll see you when I get back to my apartment. Now I'm gonna watch some Wheel of Fortune. I'm gonna do it through ABC 7 New York's broadcast instead of the CBS Kalamazoo one, because I'm doing it from my computer. It's as slow as molasses when I do the CBS 7 one. So I got my, let me hook it up to the TV using my HDMI so we can watch it on the TV. And I'm gonna make dinner too in the process. See, the Kalamazoo broadcast actually does Wheel of Fortune first, then Jeopardy, but ABC 7 does it Jeopardy then. So I'm gonna do, I miss Jeopardy, which is okay. I'm not like the guy from Rain Man who can't stand to miss his favorite shows. You know, sometimes doing other stuff's more important. But I'm gonna tune in to a website called the TVapp.net, and I'm gonna tune into the ABC 7 broadcast on there. All right, this is me watching Wheel of Fortune. On the commercial break, I'm gonna cook dinner. All right, now that we're on commercial break, time to make some dinner. See what we got. I don't even know what I want to have right now. Oh, I know what I can have. It's leftover pizza slices. I'm gonna make some of those. All right, I'm gonna put them in the microwave. I like pizza on my ranch. Sorry, ranch on my pizza. I forgot plates too. Let me pause the video and then go get it. Pizza's done. I'm gonna eat it now. All right. Seems like I can overhear a little bit. I think Wheel's back on, but so I'm gonna go back in and watch it. You know, using this streaming website, there's a watermark, which is a bit of a bummer, but I think it's better than watching the slow broadcast to have a watermark. All right, I'm finished watching Wheel of Fortune now. I'm about to finish watching the promo copy, the promotional VHS copy of Merry Christmas, Little Bill. I started at the coffee shop earlier this morning. Someone sent it to me on a digital file. But I never got around to finishing it because I had class. So now I'm going to finish it. I don't have it playing right now because I'm not sure the owner of the file would want it playing. Well, so I'm going to stop the recording. So I'm going to stop this recording and then play it. All right. Now I'm walking on Hope College's campus. They're the rival from the campus I graduated from, Kelvin. But I've made some friends from Hope's campus. You know, the seminary I'm at is actually on Hope's campus too. So sometimes I do events with the official Hope campus, like I go to their football games, go to lunch at their dining hall, and I make new friends there and all that stuff. And it's nice. Sometimes people heckle me, but it's all in good fun. Go to chapel sometimes here too. They do a worship gathering at night called Met by Love. Most Mondays I go to that too. And yeah. So yeah, this is Hope's campus, which I'm on right now. Yeah. And yeah, and I think this is gonna be the second to last part of my video. I just want to wait for my roommates to get back so that I can put them on camera. Actually, I don't think my roommates are gonna be home anytime soon, so I thought I'd just end the video with just me. Unfortunately, I couldn't get anyone else on camera this time, but that's okay. See you in the next video. Bye.